I'm Nick Orth, Senior Marketing Manager for Residential Marketing. You've been through a lot recently. New minimum efficiency standards, new ways to measure efficiency, all new AHRI system matches, inflation, tax credits. So much change has impacted your world and your day-to-day business. I'd love to say we're through it and things are going to settle down a bit, but we're not. And more change is on the horizon. The EPA has finalized regulations around refrigerants, and coming January 1st, 2025, manufacturers are required to use refrigerants with low global warming potential, which mean refrigerants must be below 700 GWP. And that should be the standard through 2035. It's great news for our environment and our future, and means that there's more change across the entire product line again. So what does that mean to you and your day-to-day? It might sound crazy, but it's really not going to have a big impact on what you do and how you do it. There are some differences. UL requirements for products and building codes are updated to support new refrigerants. And in general, if you and your installers are following best practices for installing heating and cooling equipment today, the world tomorrow is going to look pretty similar. Here are some things to consider. New R454B equipment will be built on the same trusted platforms you use today to help minimize the amount of new stuff your installers need to learn. We heard your feedback, and new equipment will offer line set connections that can easily adapt to press fittings. Products that require a refrigerant detection sensor will have those sensors built in. There will be a controls kit to support installations with existing furnaces or furnaces produced prior to 2025 that are in the field. You'll need to check the tools you use, like your gauges and your vacuum pumps, to make sure they're compatible with new refrigerants. It might say on the tool itself, and if it doesn't, you'll have to check with the manufacturer's website. As we move towards the January 1st, 2025 effectivity date for new refrigerants, talk to your distributors and their training teams to ensure your business is ready for the new refrigerants, up to speed on best practices for installation, and clearly understand the difference in a component replacement compared to a system replacement. For more information on best practices and how to best support your teams, visit Allied Air Academy.